right. So for the last thing that we need to do really is this. When we look at our site and we go to the themes folder, you're going to see that we have it activated and stuff. But unlike these other ones, we don't have a picture for it. And that's really the last thing. And it's not like it's necessary, but obviously it would be a little bit better if there was something there. Now, normally what you want to do is take a screen capture of the site so that people can see what it looks like. But there are some themes you'll see occasionally where they're like super kind of wide open or whatever, that they don't have that. So we just need a picture. And so what I would suggest is just creating a picture. So you can go ahead if you want. You can just go to photop.com and go in here. And I don't really care what you use to make your picture. You could just take a nice sunset photo or whatever works for you. I don't really care. Or you can just write out text. But what you want to do is you want the image to be 1200 by 900. That's the only part that really matters, okay? So make an image that's 1200 by 900. Just hit create. Hopefully. There it goes. Okay. And then put in here whatever you want. You can use text, you can use pictures, you can paintbrush something. I don't really care. Once you're done with it, what you want to do is go File and Export As. And you want to export out as a JPEG. You can also do a PNG, but a JPEG should be a little bit smaller because it doesn't have an alpha channel in it. So I would suggest just doing the JPEG. There's really no reason to use a PNG, I feel like. You can export it out there. I actually already, let's move this one. Let's minimize this one too, and minimize this one. Made a screenshot, and mine looks like this, okay? So it's 1200, blah, 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 and I just wrote custom theme example, okay? Now, where this needs to go is here, and we have a couple different ways, we'll put it there, a couple different ways of making this attach, okay? So one is, you could literally just open up the theme folder, and you can just drop it in here. That will work. It just needs to be inside of the theme folder that you made earlier. So you can just drop it in there. That's fine. Or you can actually do this, which is kind of neat. If you take this, if I take this, and if you drop it into here, it will actually put it, because it's inside that folder, it'll actually put it in there. So watch, if you actually look now, it went ahead and actually pasted it in there, actually made a copy of it. So that's another way of doing it, although obviously you can't really do anything with it with the picture being here. But anyway, so either way, you want to put it in there, and then once you have it in there, you can actually, where are you? Here we go. You can actually go here, and then if you refresh this, there it is. And now you have your image there. And so you can click on theme details, and then there's your picture. So obviously this would be better if it was a screen capture. Eventually, again, if this is something you want to keep and use and build on and stuff, I would replace this once you have a more finalized image. You could replace it in there with, like an actual picture of what your site is, and then, use that, okay? But that's really all there is to creating the image for your theme, okay?